You might want to get up on your knees or something so you can see. It's 10 o'clock at night and we're opening this box.
Well, I like
Hey, be careful.
It's this.
You don't even know. Uh-oh, is this for Peyton? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that's so cute.
Ooh, this.
Well, that sounds like it's full of money. We'll open that in a second. That's a cute egg, huh? This is all for Easter, honey.
Yeah.
Okay, this is from Grandma. What's that?
It's with Mickey Mouse.
It's got Mickey Mouse on it?
And it's a good.
And it's a shirt.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, there's some more to Peyton.
There's some more for Peyton?
Here's some to Peyton.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
Peyton will like this.
Peyton will like that.
And here's one. Here's some other pants to Peyton. They're in the water.
They're not for the water. They're called bloomers. Cute. Peyton will love that.
Yeah, she will love it too. And Peyton will love this.
Oh, cute.
It's
Little
just-
skirt.
Yeah.
Cute. What's that? Is that for you?
Yeah, it's to me.
It's such a big shirt. It looks like it's for a big boy.
Yeah.
Are you a big boy?
I am.
What's on that shirt?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah,
Let's see. Oh, cool. It's a singing dolphin.
Yeah.
It's listening to some music.
Ooh.
What else?
Look.
Some shorts?
Yeah, who they do?
They're for you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
Some more shorts?
Yeah.
You are going to be styling.
Yeah. Oh. Mommy.
What?
Here's a picture of a doggy.
It is a picture of a doggy. Oh, is it stuck?
Yeah, stuck on some tape. But we did it. We pulled it off the tape.
Yeah, we pulled it off. What else is in there?
That's the Peyton.
It's for Peyton?
Yeah.
It's a swimsuit cover.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's the water we go in the water.
Yeah, it's to cover her after she gets out of the water. How did Grandma know we needed one of those?
Because when we go to swimming pool.
Yeah, it's for when we go to the swimming pool, huh?
When at the hotel.
At the hotel. Is that all? Sweet. Can you say thanks to Grandma on this video?
No.
Why?
Because you just do it.
Me do it?
Yeah.
But she got stuff for you, not for me. So you have to say thanks, Grandma.
You just say thanks, Grandma.
Oh, well, you just said it, so
You just do it.
I love you.
Oh, I do.
You're spoiled, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Should we go to bed?
No.
Oh. Okay.
We don't pull this tape off.
I'm going to pull that tape off?
Yeah, but it's too hard to pull off.
Okay. Well, I'll help you. I love you.
I pull it off.
Okay, I love you.
Ooh, that's a big one.
I love you, crazy.
I do. Big crazy. Ugh.